ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಚಾನಲ್. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು 6th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ 1 ಪ್ರೋಸ್ ದಿ ಲೈಟ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೆಡಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಇನ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್, ವೈ ವಾಸ್ ರಾಜೀವ್ ಥ್ರಿಲ್ಡ್? ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ರಾಜೀವ್ ವಾಸ್ ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಥ್ರಿಲ್ಡ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ his father would take him out on a visit to the lighthouse. Second question, what is a lighthouse? Answer, a lighthouse is a tall, strong building in the shape of tower with powerful lights. Third question, how are lighthouses useful to sailor? Answer is, lighthouses help the sailor to know where the land is and what place they are near. They help to warn and guide the sailors about dangers to ships. Next question, where are the lighthouses built? Answer, sometimes lighthouses are built on the seashores and sometimes in the sea. Next question, what did the people use in lighthouses before the invention of electricity? Answer, the people used wood fires and later a large number of candles were used with glass around them to keep out the wind in the lighthouses before the invention of electricity. Next question, how was the first lighthouse built? Answer, a group of clever young men collected a few huge logs and lots of dry branches and set fire to them. They continued to keep the fire burning. In the early hours of next morning, the fishermen sailed home. In this way, the first lighthouse was built. Next question ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. Find words from the story which mean the opposite of the following. First one, dangerous, safe. Short, tall. Far, near. Low, high. Old, modern. Stop, continue. Next heading nodi, sit in pairs, answer each of the following questions in a sentence. First question, Rajiv was thrilled because his father was going to take him out on a visit to the lighthouse. What incidents in your life made you thrilled? Narrate them. Answer ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. Once we visited the Marina Beach in Chennai, the world's second longest beach. The road was wide and fine. Statues of great men all along the road, and the best was the Statue of Labor. There were many colorful shops near the beach. It was a beautiful experience. Second question ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. Do you want to invent something new? What kind of invention do you want to make? Answer ನೋಡಿ. I have the desire of inventing some machines which should easily locate any disease in the body just by mere touch. Next question ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. Lighthouse is an invention made by any single person. In the same way, there were many other such inventions which were made with the collective effort of many persons. Make a list of them and discuss in the class. Answer ನೋಡಿ. The wheel is an invention of many persons. First, they have put the load in a wooden box and dragged them, and they used the round logs of wood as wheels. Then the wheel was made of light iron rings. Metal wheels were used. Then light rubber tubes and tires were used to make wheels. Next heading ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. The following are a few sounds we hear almost every day. Divide them into loud and soft sounds. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಲೌಡ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ನೋಡಿ, ಕ್ಲಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್, the wind blowing, a car moving, a horn blowing. Soft sounds ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, stamping feet, a feather dropping, a bee buzzing, rustling leaves. Okay. Next heading ನೋಡಿ, what are the following? One who sails across a river or a sea. Answer is sailor. S-A-I-L-O-R, sailor. Second one who catches fish for his living. Answer is fisherman. F-I-S-H-E-R-M-A-N, fisherman. Third one, a tall building in the sea which guides the sailors. Answer is lighthouse. Fourth one, the area of land by the side of the sea. Answer is seashore. Fifth one, a journey by sea. Answer is voyage. V-O-Y-A-G-E. Next heading ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, look at the word grid given below. Names of some vehicles are hidden in the grid. Look horizontally and vertically, circle them and write them down below the grid. An example is given. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಪಜಲ್ ಥರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಬಸ್, ಟ್ರೈನ್, ಟ್ರಕ್, ಬೋಟ್, ಏರೋಪ್ಲೇನ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋಂಥ ಆಟೋ ರಿಕ್ಷಾ, ಸ್ಕೂಟರ್, ಕಾರ್, ಶಿಪ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಹುಡುಕಿರೋ ಅಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ನೋಡಿ, ಆಟೋ ರಿಕ್ಷಾ ಇದೆ, ಬಸ್, ಟ್ರೈನ್, ಟ್ರಕ್, ಶಿಪ್, ಕಾರ್, ಬೋಟ್, ಸ್ಕೂಟರ್, ಏರೋಪ್ಲೇನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೆಡಿಂಗ್ ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ರೀಡ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಆಶಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೋಪಾಲ್ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಅ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಟು ಅ ವಿಲೇಜ್. ದೇರ್ ಜರ್ನಿ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲಾಂಗ್. ದೇ ಬೋತ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಬೈ ಟ್ರೈನ್. ದೇ ವಿಶ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಆನ್ ಅ ವಾಯೇಜ್ ವೆನ್ ದೇ ಗ್ರೋ ಅಪ್. Now fill in the blanks with suitable words choosing from the ones underlined in the above passage. First one, my brother is fond of space travel. His dream is to go on dash into space. Answer is voyage. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳ. My parents always dash by train. Answer is travel. We went on a short dash to Dehradun in the summer vacation. Answer is trip. Next, the dash from Bangalore to Mysuru is quite comfortable. Answer is journey. Okay. ನೋಡಿ, next heading ನೋಡಿ. The people on the land were worried and yet helpless to guide them. Here the underlined word has a suffix less to mean without. Now write more words with the suffix less. Look at the clues given. First one, don't dry my red shirt in the sun. It will become, ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಕಲರ್ಲೆಸ್. ರೈಟ್? ಬಿಸಿಲಲ್ಲಿ ಶರ್ಟ್ನ ಒಣಗಾಕ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕಲರು ಡಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆವಾಗ ಕಲರ್ಲೆಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ರೈಟ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್, there is not enough drinking water in our place. The situation is dash. Answer is helpless. Third one, this apple is not fresh. It has become dash. Answer is useless. Fourth one, I emptied all the contents of the bag. Now it is dash. Answer is weightless. Fifth one, I don't know what to do next. I am feeling dash. Answer is helpless. Next, sixth one, Raju is a brave boy. He is dash too. Answer is fearless. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಲೆಸ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ವರ್ಡ್ ಬರಬೇಕಂತ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೆಡಿಂಗ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ದ ಸೆಟ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ, ಎಕ್ಸೈಟೆಡ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಥ್ರಿಲ್ಡ್. 8 letters ಇದೆ, THRILLED, ಥ್ರಿಲ್ಡ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ enlightened, ENLIGHTED, enlightened, 9 letters. Second one, picnic, trip. Next is excursion, EXCURSION, excursion. Next is TOUR, tour. Okay. Next third one ನೋಡಿ, wise, clever. Next ಬರೋದೇನು, intelligent, INTELLIGENT, intelligent. Bright, B-R-I-G-H-T, bright. Smart, S-M-A-R-T, smart. Fourth one, adorable, pet. Next is favorite, F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T-E, favorite. Next heading nodi makla. In the lesson, the lighthouse is described as a tall, strong building in the shape of a tower with powerful lights at the top. Now, write the describing words for the following. One is done for you. Man anta kottidare, tall anta kottidare. Girl is beautiful. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಅಪ್ರೋಪ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ. Girl, beautiful. Rose, red. Day, bright. Handwriting, neat. Next nodi, write a few more phrases like the above. Clever, fox. Huge, elephant. Warm, season. Cute, kitten. Long hand, short tail. Okay. Next nodi, Rajiv exclaimed, how clever the humans. How clever of the humans. When Rajiv learnt from his father about the invention of the lighthouse, he made the above statement to express his feeling of surprise. Read the following situations and express your feelings. ನಮ್ಮದು ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಯು ಸಿ ಅ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ರೋಸ್. ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ನ ರೋಸ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತೀವೋ ಅವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಓ, ಹೌ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್, ರೈಟ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್, your friend is wearing a pretty dress. What we will say? How pretty you are. Correct? Next, third one, your mother has prepared a tasty dish. How tasty the dish is. Next one, one of your classmates pushes the bench. How naughty you are. Right? ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ದಿ ಲೈಟ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಸ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸು, ಫಿಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸು, ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಗಿದಿದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್. ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾಯ್.